Hey guys, so today is our um, theme day Saturday. Um, Today we decided today's gonna be Kitty Cat and Puppy Dogs Day. So Annabelle is gonna wear this cute little onesie with the kitty cat on it. It's purple with I guess light pink polka dots. It might be white, but to me it looks like white, light pink. But it's got a cute little kitty cat on it, and she's gonna also wear these cute little pants that have um, the kitty cat on the bottom. So today, my daughter usually makes these videos with me or helps me with the videos. But today, my husband had to go into work and she has to occupy her baby sister. So, I want to do this video today by myself, but she helped me with the, picking out the theme for today, and she wanted to do kitty cats and puppy dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and change Miss Annabelle into her outfit for the day. Okay, Miss Annabelle. She's been such a good little baby. And she's excited about her brother coming. I told her last night that he was on his way, and she was really excited. So, I'm going to take this diaper off. Get her a fresh one on. Sorry if you can hear a lot of noise in the background. The girls are making a lot of noise in the living room, and our upstairs neighbors are actually moving, so apologize for any noises in the background here. Okay, go ahead and get her onesie on. And I love the little outfits with like the little animals on them or whatever, but this one is super cute. And I like it. I love the little kitty cats. We love kitty cats. And we love puppy dogs, but anyway. Oh, darn it. I'll be right back. I usually like to keep this little white onesie on her. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put that on her and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I got her little white onesie on here. There we go. Trying to do this but yourself is not the easiest. Let's see. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Now, I'm dressing Miss Annabelle in her little kitty cat onesie. Okie dokie, now. Get this side. Okay, now this button is. She is so small. She is a size of a newborn, but all these newborn clothes are really big still on her, but I guess I'd rather have them too big than too small, I guess, so anyway, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get pants on. Okay, sorry about that. I had to rearrange the camera situation here. Okay. Get her little footsie in there. Where's your toes? There they are. Okay. Alright. Okay. There we go. Now she's all ready for our kitty cat and puppy dog's day. Let's see. There we go. There she is in her little outfit, sleeping away. There's Miss Annabelle in her little kitty cat outfit. And just so you guys can see her bottom, I'm going to show you her her back of her pants again. Look at that, how cute. Super cute. I might have to find her little pink bow to get to a headband to put in her hair. Anyway, I think she's ready to take a nap. It's kind of a cool day today and not the greatest weather outside. It's not raining right now, but it's overcast, so but anyway, there she is. Alright, well, I think Annabelle's going to take a nap, and we will see you guys later. Alright, bye.